Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are making this congratulations card using Home Life. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I have a piece of Flirty Flamingo, and I'm going to get my Emerald Envy, and then I have the banner piece, and that is on block H. And I'm just going to stamp that up. And I have my Stampin' Pierce mat down so that I can ensure I have even coverage. Now I have the congratulations on block H as well. And I'm just going to put it right down here in the middle. Just like that. And now I'm going to bring in my big shot. Now I have my magnetic cutting platform. And I have my coordinating framelit for the banner piece. And then I have a piece of Whisper White, and I'm just going to get the house piece and put that down. And I will make my sandwich and roll that through. Alright, and then it comes out perfectly. I'll get that out of the way. And I'm going to bring back in my Stampin' Pierce mat along with my little house. And first I'm going to get the flowers. And this is on block E. And I'm going to ink those up in Dapper Denim. This is a card for my sister. She just recently bought a new home. So I want to congratulate her on that. Alright, and now I'm going to take my Emerald Envy and I'm going to ink up the leaves on here. And then I'm going to take my Flirty Flamingo and I'm going to get the smaller flowers and ink those up. Just like that. Alright, so we can start putting this card together. My card base is Dapper Denim, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. And then I have a piece of Flirty Flamingo, and that measures 4 by 5 1/4. And I think I'm going to go ahead and emboss this. So I have my brick wall. I'm going to bring in the Big Shot one more time. And run that through quickly. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some snail adhesive on this. Remember to put it on all 4 sides because it's embossed. Just like that. And then I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals for the house. Guys, one more. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and pop that up as well. And I just want it going across that way. And then I have a piece of Whisper White, and that measures 4 by 5 1/4. And I have On Your New Home, and I'm going to stamp that in the Emerald Envy. And I have that on block D. And then I'll just put that down with some snail as well. Right there in the middle. Alright, so there you have it, a quick and simple congratulations card. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!